Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. This is korrectbet. I'm here to bring you the new tricks available now on Zoom Soccer. So I'm bringing you the new and latest tricks available now. So in case you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so I don't miss my new video anytime I post my video. So let's go to the tricks, the strategy, and the best tricks you can use to get good winnings on Zoom. Remember, this is Zoom, this is not normal soccer. So this is the way. So in case any of you who don't know how to pull booking code, first of all, this check bet, once you open it, before you log in, you see load booking code, you put your booking code, just put it. After putting it, and now click on book. Once you click on book, it will now open. So this I know this is not the main booking code. So let's go straight to the tricks I want to show you on Zoom Soccer. So these tricks work this way. This is double chance. Once you see this double chance, just target on all these odds, 1.50 something, and for home and away 1.50 something, or any or like 1.30 something for home, or even if it's away 1.30 something. Just choose on this oneness. You must open their table this way. First of all, open their table. Let's start from Arsenal Tottenham. Once you open their table, just pay attention to this. Once you open their table, the next thing you will do is to check on this trees, check on these statistics, like you see their last matches. Check the one that has more winnings, like 2 or 3, while the other one have only 1 winning. What you do is you have to choose the one on top. But if the one on top has this 38%, you leave it. But if it has 9, you take it. If it doesn't has 8 or 9, you take it, the one on top. Then if there is winning for down here on their last matches, like away, you see Tottenham, their last matches, you see there's no much winning. It's only 1 winning, as you can see here. So assuming this is on top and the one with winning is down, you have to choose the one on top, which means the one on top has to be home. So the one on down has to be away. So as you can see, Tottenham last matches is like this. You can see they have only 1 winning. So what you do is you choose only the one with a plenty winning if is on top. Then if you want to choose the one without plenty winning, that one has to be on top before you choose it as a win or draw. That is double chance. So this is how you choose this on all league. For example, the one on top we are choosing now has winning, plenty winning. So you have to choose Arsenal. Because of this 8 here, we are going to leave it. Instead of to choose Arsenal, you choose 12 because of the 38%. But if it's 39, you have to choose it direct, home, win or draw. But since it's 8, so any of these can play it. Any of these can win. So let's go to another team. Let's see, so you understand it more. Like these people now, you see, home has more winning. You see it. Why away don't have much winning? They don't have even single winning. They have plenty lose, 4 loses and draw. So that is away, which is Wolves. While Leeds has 3 winnings and 2 lose. So you have to choose Leeds as win or draw. You have to choose Leeds as win or draw, which is this way. You see it. Then let's go to another team. You see this one. Let's see there. Yeah, this one now, what you do is you have to choose home. They have winning and they're on top, and their percentage is 53. You can see it. Their percentage is 53, which is bigger than their away percentage. Away percentage, Brighton, is 22%, as you can see. So you have to choose home, win or draw. So this is how you do to other leagues till you get double chance. If possible, pick only 2 for each league. So you don't pick much games. Pick only 2 on each league. Then you leave there and go to another league. You pick another one. So this is how you'll be doing it so that you get it right. So I don't pick much games. So let's go to another tricks. This is for double chance. Then this trick is on handicap. I know many of you don't understand this handicap very well. But this handicap, you can use it to play, to know the one that will win, straight winning on this handicap. For example, you see Man U Brentford. If you come here, you see these 2 padlock. I'm just saying it this way for you guys to understand it more. So you got to understand it more. So you see how this padlock for home, like you see home has 2 padlock for down, or if assuming this padlock is 3, if you want to play over goals, assuming it's 3, you play it over 2.5. They are going to score over goals. Then, as it's 2 like this, you have to choose home direct winning, or you choose home win or draw. Home is going to win or they play draw. This is how you do it. But if it's a 3 padlock here, like you can see this one that does not has odd, they just padlock it as if like a padlock, as you can see it on this Man U Brentford. So what you do is choose home, win or draw. But if this padlock is 3, is straight winning for home, but you know the odd is going to be small, so that's why you got to play it over 2.5. Very, very simple. Over 2.5. Let's go to another league, another team. Same thing with Man City. See Man City, Fulham. This is the same thing. Play Man City, win or draw. Or you play it, once you see something like this with 2 padlock, play it over 1.5. No matter how the odd is going to be too small, you play it over 1.5. But it's very, very okay. Same thing with Chelsea. So, but I advise that when you are picking games, don't pick much on one league. This is what I'm saying all the time. Don't pick much on one league. If it is possible, pick only 2. Only 2 games on one league. Then you leave there, go to another league and choose another one. As you are picking it, you check your time, you check their time they're going to play. So you don't waste time or you delay picking the games. Maybe those correct one you pick, because of your waste time, they will start. So all the stress, all the time you take you to pick them, everything will just be in vain. So as you're picking them, make sure you still have enough time so you can pick other league. Choose how many games you want on one ticket. So sometimes I advise you pick like 6 games on one ticket. Each league 2 games. Each league 2 games. So once you have 6 games, you play it. But if you are staking high, you are advised to pick only 2 games. Only 2 games. And that 2 games, you must start with over goals. If you are staking high, use over 1.5 to stake high. Don't stake high on straight winning. Straight winning that you are not sure about can put you in trouble, can make you to lose your money. So the best thing, choose from over goals if you are staking high, and don't choose more than 3 games on one ticket if you are staking high. 2 is okay. 3 is okay. but don't choose 4 or more than 3 is okay. But for me, I prefer only 2 games. So that's how you do it if you are staking high on Zoom. So you don't pick much games. That's how you get it right. All right. I'll see you guys next. Just make sure you check these games well before adding it. Make sure you study these trees before you pick your games. All right. And when you are picking games, for example, let's go to both team to score. Let me show you something. Once you're picking games, once you notice there is 2 odds that is the same, that resemble each other on one league. For like now, for both team to score now, let's see. For example, if you notice there is 2 resemble odds, like for example 1.65, you still see 1.65 for down, leave it. Because one will play, one will not play. So you leave it. Sometimes they will put the one that will not play on top. Then the one that will play on down. Sometimes they will put the one that will play on top and put the one that will not play on for down. So that is how they all normally do it. So you have to be careful when you're picking games on Zoom. All right. This is korrectbet. In case you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. In case you want our games, you can, or teaching on this new trees, you can chat me on WhatsApp on 07036760527. For your games, for account management, for teaching, you can contact me on WhatsApp. Chat me direct on WhatsApp on 07036760527. The number will be shown on the screen for you to see it properly. All right, this is korrectbet.